In this video, you'll learn how to use the service page. After logging in, on the left-hand side, you'll see a tab called Service. This will give you insights into your NPS and service steps. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find filters allowing you to select your brand, venue, and service style. When reviewing service, the core NPS question gauges how likely customers are to recommend your business to a friend or relative. The tracking of NPS throughout the day is divided into day parts: breakfast, lunch, afternoon, and dinner. The dashboard provides an overview of overall NPS, the number of reviews within a specific period, and flags any day parts that might be falling behind. You can click on the questions and scroll down. This reveals a heat map of day parts, pinpointing specific times of the day where customer experiences may not be scoring as well. Further down the page, you can separate out this data by location. If you also have a point of sale integration, you can see by server all of their individual scores for each service step and NPS. This is great for identifying training needs and requirements within your team. For any area that has copy to clipboard on it, you can export the data with a single click. All service questions follow the same format. By selecting another service question, you can access the same comprehensive view. For more information, visit our knowledge base